This is Gorilla Tag, but I can't touch the color blue. And I have to get to the top of mountains. So yeah, let's try to do this. We can't touch the zip line because that's blue. So we have to go to the rope. Here. We gotta jump down here. Okay. We're safe right now. Can't touch that. Okay. It's gone. No. I can't touch that or that, so I have to follow the wall running route. Okay, we're safe right now. Once we get to mountains, that's gonna be hard. Because mountains is like full of blue, so yeah. We're practically safe in forest. Okay, we're safe right here. We are safe right here. That's kind of blue. Now we're gonna finish climbing this. We jumped in here. Okay. I'm still alive. Oh. Yes. I did it. Yeah. Yes. I did it. No.